Clear a jam in the fuser area for the HP LaserJet Enterprise printer series. A paper jam in the fuser area or rear door of the printer can be indicated by multiple error codes on the control panel. The code often begins with 13.B4, 13.B9, or 13.FF. For the full list of error codes, refer to the video description. Open the rear door. Gently remove any jammed paper. Caution: the fuser can be hot while the printer is in use. Wait for the fuser to cool before handling it. Close the rear door. If the steps in this video have not helped resolve your printer issue, contact HP customer support at hp.com/go/contact HP.